No, no, what you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry.
Okay guys, so I'm looking crazy. It's a few days later, but I never put my groceries up. I waited till I could record it. So I'm gonna give you guys a grocery haul, then we're gonna organize. I don't have a pantry in this apartment, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to put my snacks and stuff in the cabinet, and then we're gonna organize the fridge. So I have a lot of junk for my family and stuff that come over. I have a little bit more healthy stuff. And do I have any healthy stuff? I don't know, but let's go ahead. Okay, the first thing I have are these waters. It's just a Food Line brand. I went shopping at Food Line and Publix. Food Line for my snacks and stuff, and then Food Line for my meats and fruits because I feel like they're just more fresh. Okay, next up we have a box of chips because my friend wanted me to get these for when he comes. White cran strawberry. I'm really excited to try this. 6-pack of apple juice. We have these Kool-Aid bursters. Okay, some stuff I already have in my fridge because I didn't want it to get bad. Oatmeal pies, pumpkins because it's fall. Honey buns, I do not like these really. So I have these strawberry shortcakes. These I really like. These fall party cake thingies. Tostitos, sea salt chips. I'm trying to be healthy, y'all. 40% less fat. I have 3 cereals, Lucky Charms, Frosted Flakes, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Oreos, Chips Ahoy, regular white bread, bagels, hot dog buns, hamburger buns, elbows for the macaroni. Can you guys see? Let me move you up. So I have 2 things of this cornbread, some Alfredo sauce, some Campbell's soup. I have 4 paper towels, syrup, just regular Food Line brand, taco seasoning, Doritos for the tacos, and regular tacos, then burrito taco, brown sugar Pop-Tart, and 3 packs of noodles, fudge rounds. These are also one of my favorites. Some Ziploc bags for when I separate my meat, some beans, corn, and then some dip for my chip, some microwavable potatoes, and then some potatoes like regular. Tide Pods. Why are these so expensive? I'm confused. On the side right here I already have some like miscellaneous drinks, but I'm gonna have to put my milk and my juice right here because it is not fit right here. Then we have our Minute Maid fruit punch. So I'm also gonna put this on the side. I have my cold brew coffee. And we have the cran, put it on the side. I'm gonna put this container in here to store my juices in. No, this is too much work, I'm sweating, okay? These in there with them. I can squeeze these in there too. Okay, put the eggs. Ew. Okay, some of them are cracked. Ew. Y'all put syrup in the fridge or no? So for our actual meals, I guess I'm gonna put it. I hate that I have to lay this stuff down. Okay, I'm gonna put maybe breakfast up here. Okay. I guess I can put all my cheeses in the bottom. Okay, it looks kind of weird. I don't know. But I decided to put my fruits up here in the top. I'm actually going to end up cutting my fruits and putting them in the containers so they last a little bit longer. I have pineapples, strawberries, kiwi, watermelon. The side up here, I'm putting like my sauces. I have some syrup for my cold brews I make, my romaine hearts for my burgers if I don't want to eat bread. And then I have my Caesar salad that I'm probably going to eat tonight. I don't know, should I put this like on the bottom? I'm going to put it in here because it says humidity. Can you see? Yeah, humidity controlled. Strawberry cream cheese. Put this on the side. Orange juices. The mini ones. Okay, so here are my meats down here. I'm going to take them out and individually. I'm going to take them out and individually freeze my meats into like little Ziploc bags. So like 2 pieces of chicken per Ziploc bag, just so it doesn't get too much when I'm trying to thaw it out and stuff. So up top we're going to put, oh my god, this watermelon flavored, strawberry flavored, kind of like my healthy snack type of deal. Should I put it in the side? Will it fit? Then we have these Oreo sandwiches. And these are for my friend, but we have these toaster strudels. They have bacon and eggs in them. And then I have more toaster strudels, which is the ones that I like. But these are just like quick breakfasts and stuff. I have this pizza. I don't know how I can squeeze this in here. Then we got these sausage, egg, and cheese croissants. And then I have one more Hot Pocket. So right here we have our sandwiches, Oreos, our 2 watermelon, 1 strawberry outshine bars, healthy snack, Hot Pockets, breakfast stuff. I'm gonna like break these apart and stuff. So I'll be back to do that. Okay, I'm gonna leave my potatoes here because I'm not even sure where to put them. And these are microwavable, so I can just pop them right in the microwave. This is kind of messed up, but I wasn't sure what to do, so I just left it like this for now until I think of some other ideas. But this is what this cabinet is looking like. I decided not to fill these ones up, so some of them are empty like in the back, because right here I just left them and with the snacks. So this is basically my snacks. I have my cereals up there because my cereal bins don't fit in there, so I'm thinking about buying those little cereal dispensers from Amazon, but I don't know yet. So my chips and my cookies, my baby cakes and chips and stuff. This is not all for me. This is like for my guests and stuff when they come over. And then my breads are in here. Morning stuff is right here. My liquid IVs and my coffees.
No, what you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry.